Assalamu alaikum friends, here is 700 plus professional banner for PowerPoint. This format is PPTX and here is Grandent's background, but these files are protected. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. And here is my Facebook page, the Sheri SK. As Sheri SK, I will provide every video here like YouTube channel, and next is my Telegram channel. Subscribe this channel for any update. I will provide every link first here on this channel. Okay, here is Grandent's background. You can choose or you can use anywhere. Okay, and main file is here. Don't worry, I will compressed. Here is pptx file for PowerPoint. You can use anywhere. You can change everything. You can write any text here. You see, for example, I open this one. Okay, you see here is writing. You can write anything. By now I write my channel name Sheri SK2. Okay, and here is main image. You can change anything anywhere. Double click here and you can change different design or shape. You see here is circle. You see here is a shadow. Okay, and depend your own choice, you can make more better. That's mean all files are fully editable. Next is same thing here. You see move anywhere and double click, change shape. Okay, change any color. Okay, now special discount. Wow, food, gym, product, fashion. Here is music party. Depend your own choice, you can make more better. Okay, now here is big sale. That's mean all files are fully editable. Subscribe my channel for more graphic files, and here is my Facebook page Sheri SK, and download this app for all passwords. Last is my Telegram channel, the Sheri SK official. Subscribe me, I will provide every link here. Take care, Allah Hafiz.